up, guys? So, welcome to my first video. Woo! How exciting! So, if you didn't already know me, I'm Lanis, and today I'm going to try out this method to see if it works or not. It's heatless curls, overnight heatless curls. So, we're gonna see the results today. Well, tomorrow for me, but today for you. Yeah, so if you want to see the process and the results, keep on watching. So to start with, you're going to need some agua water, a brush, two brushes, not just kidding, just one.
You stupid.
And I cut a t-shirt in tiras, however you call it. Así nomás. I did like 9 pieces because that's how much I got out of my shirt. But I don't know exactly how many I'll need for my hair, which I think this is enough because I don't have so much hair. So let's get into it. Okay, so to start with, just gonna put my hair down and brush. Yeah, my hair gets tangled hella easy. Okay, so this is my poofy ass hair. I'm looking like a lion because of how puffy it is. Pero, no hay pedo, no hay pedo. Okay, so now you're gonna split it. I think I'm gonna do 3 on each side. Or maybe, yeah, 3. So I'm gonna start with this side first. And start with your partido, however you're gonna pinártelo when it's ready. So I do mine in half. It's not really in half, it's like crooked here, pero que tiene, no importa. I'll leave it like that. Okay, now you're gonna wet it, but not too much, just a little more. So ya que está mojadito. Damn, I think I wet it too much. Hopefully it still works. Nah, I should be good. Okay. I'm gonna do this part. The first part. And I'm gonna grab a piece of shirt. Y voy a agarrar las puntas. And I'm gonna roll it up. And you guys are probably like, why is she telling us how she's doing it? Well, maybe because what if it works? Now you know how to do it. But I don't know if it's gonna work. Just in case. Okay, so you roll it up all the way. And then you grab... Oh shit, I left hair out. Make sure you don't leave hair out. Because then you're gonna be looking funny with straight and curly hair. What the fuck? Okay, there it is. Okay, and then on the tips, you're gonna tie a knot. Not too tight, just barely tight. And then just leave it like that. And now you're gonna go on to your second part. Brush it. Oh shit, what happened to my music? I don't know. Let's get this party started. Didn't start. Bitch, start. Oh my god, my iPad's tripping. It hates me. Okay, so now, same process. No, este está feo. Mejor este. Okay, same process. Get the tip. Roll it, roll it, roll it. All the way up. And then at the very top, tie the ends. See? Luego last part in the back. same process. And there you go, there's half of your hair done. Okay, now that this side is ready, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Same thing, wet it, well, just a little humid, not too much. And then brush it more. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it all the same way as I did this side, this other side. So, this is the results of how it looks now that I finished rolling up all my hair. Qué cute, ¿no? Like, como que si estoy lista para irme al gym. I mean, al gym, the fuck? Al club. Al club, yeah. With this new hairstyle. Ooh, hella cute. Just kidding. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna sleep in this, and tomorrow I'll show you guys the results when I wake up. A ver si sí o no sirve. And if it doesn't work, I'll be so mad because I'm looking hella funny for you guys. So, see ya! Hey guys, so I'm back. It's the next morning, and yes, I know I look dead. You're probably like, what the fuck happened to the other girl? It's not the same girl. Well, shit. This is what makeup does to you. It changes your fucking face. And if we were to look the same, then why would we even bother to buy makeup, right? Anyway, let's get back on track. So, I'm gonna start taking this off for y'all. And let's see. Okay. Darn it. That looks stupid. Maybe once I brush it out, I'll look better. I'm gonna take them all out. Oh my god. Ah! I tangled it! What the fuck? Okay, there you go. Oh, what the hell? I tied one strip of shirt with the other one. But this is it. So it worked, but it's like really, really tight curls. Can y'all see? But yeah, so far, I guess it works, but I expected better, honestly. But it works. So if you guys want heatless curls, do it. I'd say do it. It's, yeah, it's a little frizzy, but al rato me la arreglo in my face, fix my face up. And so this brings us to an end of my video, and hopefully you guys give this a try soon because it's actually pretty cute and it's a healthier way to curl your hair. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!